Hey, you're watching the Big Jackpot, Go Big or Go Bust, and today's game is Lightning Diamonds. Just got to get 9 diamonds on there to win the big prize. Let's see how I do. Boom. Lightning Diamonds, and that's all the progressives are at. This one is $9 a spin. So $1 times 9 lines. So let's see what we can do. Lightning Diamonds. Come on. See some multipliers. Those 5 X's lining up. Lightning Diamonds. There it is. Ooh, there we go. $60. We get 9 of those. We win $65,000. That's good. Some wild lightning diamonds. Come on. You're watching Go Big or Go Bust. Never seen before footage on the Big Jackpot. You guys have seen through the game, you like to see me play in the future, because I like to play different games for Go Big or Go Bust for you. Make sure in the comments below to name the game you'd like to see me play. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you click that gray bell. By clicking that gray bell, you're going to get notifications. We go live at least once a week, usually Tuesday nights. Come on, there's $9. Oh. So we got 4, because the lightning diamond substitutes for a diamond, so 4 pays 27. Anything after that goes up to the progressives. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We go live on Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Let's just see 9 lightning diamonds. Very nice. Ooh, that's a good one. Some 7s. We got the little coin shower going on up here. Big win. How big of a win is it? $123 on a $9 bet. Go big or go bust. There we go, 4 of them. It's $27. Come on, more. Oh, that's big. All right, we got the progressive at $98.21 progressive. All right, $98 progressive hit. Go big or go bust. You're watching the Big Jackpot. Never seen before footage. Oh my God. Come on. There we go. That's a good one. 5X. That's big. Another big win. How much? $127. Go big or go bust. Let's do it. There we go. Another 50. Ah. Come on, multipliers. $10 on that big spin. Come on, go big or go bust. Let's see the big one. buckaroonies. Thank you for joining us for Go Big or Go Bust. Oh, come on, right here. 3 more. Ah. $9. Just takes one. It would be $65,607 on the Progressive. Go big or go bust. Come on, diamond. One more. There we go. $60. Show me the money. How hard can it be to get some diamonds? Come on, 3 more. 4 diamonds for $27. $20. Double bars. Get that multiplier with it. Just the good news is we're still up. We haven't gone bust. But how big can we go? Make sure in the comments below if there's any games that you'd like to see me play. Let me know. Hit those on our Go Big or Go Bust series for you. Come on, 3 more. Oh my God, 6! 285.87. There we go. $285. 87 cents. Go Big or Go Bust. 6 diamonds. $9. $9. $285. Come on. Wow. One more diamond would have been $984. 8 diamonds, $4,500, and $65,000. That would definitely be going big. Come on. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Click that gray bell so you can watch us in live play. We go live every Tuesday, 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. $27 for come on. Ah. Show me the diamonds. Spins. At least we up Can't complain. 20% win. Ooh, there we go. That's a good one. 60 more. Come on. Oh my god. 3 times. Alright. One more spin and that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. Go big or go bust. Big Jackpots never seen before footage. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching me play some lightning diamonds. I hope you enjoyed. Go big or go bust. You just never know how big or bad it's going to end. Make sure you hit that like button. If you aren't a subscriber, click the subscribe button and watch our new daily videos.